can't get through. It's like you switch your heart to airplane mode. Sitting next to you, your eyes on the screen. I ask about your day, you just mumble back. Dinner's getting cold while you scroll through your phone. I'm drowning in silence, we're here but alone. I remember when you laughed echoed here. Now we barely speak, like you don't see me. You're right here, but I still can't get through. It's like you switch your heart to airplane mode. In the same room, but I'm not reaching you. Talking to a stranger, wearing your clothes. I'm right here and I feel so alone. Baby, you put us on airplane mode. We used to talk till midnight about our dreams. Now your focus is anywhere but me. I try to talk but your mind's somewhere else. The noise in your head pushed our love away. I stare at the ceiling, where did you go? I'm beside you, yet I miss you so much. You're right here, but I still can't get through. It's like you switched your heart to airplane mode. In the same bed, but I can't reach the you I knew. Lying back to back, miles apart on this road. I'm right here and I feel so alone. Baby, you put us on airplane mode. I wave in front of your face, no blink. I'm crying beside you, you sip your drink. I whisper I miss you, but you don't turn your head. This disconnect is killing me. We're hanging by a thread. You're right here, but I still can't get through. It's like you switched your heart to airplane mode. Right next to me, but I can't feel you. Your body's here, but your mind's far gone. I'm right here, and I feel so alone. Darling, you put us on airplane mode.